Hey guys, I'm back. This is Matt's BMX bike check, and my front tire. I'm gonna do an update on this, and let's start out with the new things. Just put this on last night. It's the Animal ASM. Holds 110 psi. It's really awesome. It's really awesome. And these are Odyssey whip pedals. Odyssey twisted pedals. A KMC chain, a United bike seat pivotal, Fly brakes, and an Odyssey brake lever. Animal bar ends, 7th Ace, United hubs. Everything's United, pretty much. Except get out of the way, cat. Except the pedals and the brakes and the bar ends. But most of it's United. And my front one has a lot of tread, that's good. And my back one, slick, for street. I like it a lot. I recommend you get that. It's probably the best tire out there. I think you should really get it. Shut up!